Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to set animated wallpapers on your Nothing phone today. So go to your Play Store, go to your search bar, now find Magic Fluid Light Wallpaper. And choose from the following. So it's not really matters, it's only up to your choice. I'll choose this one. Press install, press agree, and give it a few seconds. Now as we've installed them, press open, give it a few seconds, press consent. You'll have some ads, of course, at the beginning. It's alright, just give it a second, close your ads. Okay, so now in this application, you can choose from the list of your wallpapers. For example, let's choose this one. I really like how they look like. Give it a few seconds to load up. Okay. So now, as we see, they work like this. You can adjust them by clicking on this icon, right? So you can adjust this action, speed, size, whatever you can imagine, colors, fluid. For example, let's put something like this. Press apply when you're good with your changes. So now you see your preview. When you're satisfied, simply press set as a wallpaper, and now press apply, and now they are set. So let's check it on the main screen. So now on our main screen, if we move our finger, we've got our really cool fluid wallpaper, right? Looks amazing. So now you can enjoy them, and if you want to revert to the previous wallpaper, just repeat the steps and select different wallpapers. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.